Hey guys, I'm cooking partly leftovers, and it's, from me compromising another recipe from my book, The Easy Anti-Inflammatory Diet. I have some leftover brown rice, I have chicken legs, and I have some black pepper, some sea salt, orange pepper, and cream of chicken, thyme, lemon, and extra virgin olive oil. Those are the ingredients I'm using with this meal. And now I'm going to make the chicken. I'm going to cut the chicken and turn it into like a butterfly chicken. So, okay, my chicken's all cut up and spread out everywhere. First, I'm going to add a little sea salt. I'm going to add a little black pepper. And I have this, make sure you can see it here, thyme lemon salt. I think I found this at Aldi's. You can find some really great things at Aldi's, because really, Aldi's is just a subsidiary, I think, of Trader Joe's. But I can afford Aldi's. Can't afford Trader Joe's. Although I've been there to buy specialty items that I can't find anywhere else. Certain cranberry juices that I really like, and tart cherry juices that I can't find other places. Season both sides. Not a lot of seasoning. You don't want to overpower it. You don't want to have a heart attack and high blood pressure. Because sea salt is a whole lot better than using just regular salt. I haven't used salt from the blue box in years, other than melting snow or cleaning my sewer. I hate to say it that way, but yeah, I don't use it for anything other than that, and cleaning coffee pots out of. It's really great for cleaning coffee pot, the salt in the blue container. Won't name the salt, but eating it, I don't put it on my food. I haven't in years, since my kids were little. I have not used it. It's a lot of work, exercise. Whew. Okay, and then some more black pepper here. Now that's ready to go in the skillet. You prepare everything so you can just go ahead and start cooking. I'm going to have a can of mixed vegetables. But me, I have like this paranoia on some things that just come in water. So I rinse things out. I'm going to put the vegetables in here. I'm going to rinse it. And then I'm going to add some purified water and cook it. So that way it'll take away any extra preservatives or salt. But it won't take away the stuff that's deep in. But you do what you got to do. Okay. I'm going to heat up my EVO extra virgin olive oil. I love this big skillet. I don't measure it. I just make sure I put enough to cover the bottom. I'm going to sear the chicken. And it's probably going to soak all of that up. And we'll probably leave it in there. But if I have some extra oils, I will be pouring it off. So let that heat up. Okay, it's already starting to get hot. There was something else I was going to do. Oh, I'm not. I was going to dust it with a little wheat flour to make a little crispiness, but since I left the skin on, I think that'll do all the crispiness for me. Maybe. Just maybe a tablespoon of wheat flour. So I'm adding something to my recipe here. So I have wheat flour here. Can you see? Oh, the container. I'm only going to put a tablespoon of wheat flour. I'm going to spread it across the top. Sorry you can't see that, you guys, but just a sprinkle, you know, on both sides. Okay, well, 2 tablespoons of, you know, 1 for each side. But just that's it. Sometimes you change recipes as you go, but that's what I'm doing. Just want to get a little crispiness, but it's all going in. It's a chicken and rice meal, but it will make it taste a lot better. Not much flour is on these, as you can see, just a little. I'm gonna dust off the excess flour. Oh, yeah, that burned me. Oh, ouch. I'm okay. Did you see that pop up and bite me like that? Because I put flour on it. That's okay. I'll live. Okay, I don't know if I have enough oil. I just put enough at the bottom. There we go. Yeah, I haven't got my oven evened up. I'll probably get somebody to come in or get my pliers maybe and get under there and see if I can do it myself and even up my oven. But just move the oil around a little there. Okay, when those get done, I'll show you in magic cooking time. While the chicken is cooking, I'm going to take my leftover brown rice and this can of cream of chicken soup, and I'm going to put this in here and mix it together with a cup of water. And then I'm going to simmer it while the chicken is cooking. Make sure that you turn the chicken sideways or on any side that looks pinkish so you can make sure everything is cooked thoroughly before you add the rice. Although you're going to cook it some more after you add it. And I'm going to cook this some more, and then I'm going to take away the excess oil, which isn't that much, probably going to be about a tablespoonful, and you know, the oil from the chicken itself, grease from the chicken itself. I'm going to pour that off, and then I'm going to add the orange pepper and let it saute a little bit before adding the rice, and then letting it simmer and cook all together. And no, I did not use any garlic or onions in this recipe. Just the thyme and lemon pepper, and black pepper and seasoned sea salt. That's all I use. And then I use a can of cream of chicken. There's got a lot of chunks of chicken in this kind, and a cup of water and some leftover brown rice. It's slightly charged, but it's kind of like rice roni, I guess. So continue to let this cook for another probably 5 minutes, 10 minutes all together, and then I'll start adding the red pepper after I pour the oils off the chicken. When removing the excess oil, it's best just to take the chicken out and then pour off the oil, and pour it probably into a safe container or a can, or even a can that you had the chicken soup in. Just pour it in there and get rid of it. I don't plan on using it, but you can leave don't clean out the pan. Leave the little crunchies, I guess you call them, from the fried chicken. Okay, now I'm going to add the orange peppers. on my lemon board. And there's probably going to be a little oil in the pan. It's good, and just use that. But the pepper will make its own oil. Plus vegetable oil. And we want to cook them until they get soft. Turn it up just a little high here so I can sear them. I am going to add a little, once I put the rice in, I'm going to add a little more black pepper for the seasoning. So it'll be kind of like black pepper gravy, which everybody loves. It's just to give them a little crispness. I think I'm starving. I'm getting tight tongue. I need to eat. Okay. Oh, they're looking so good. And spread them all over the pan here. Then we're going to add the chicken back to the pan. Look at those. It looks so good. Spread them out because you're going to pour the rice over it. You can do this in a smaller skillet. I just love my big skillet. There we are. You know, since I don't have a lot of rice, I'm going to try to center this. I'm going to pull the pepper and the chicken in the center of my pan. Like so. Oh, it looks so great. Then I'm going to pour the rice on top. I've already heated it up. So here it goes. Make sure you spread it evenly. It may work better in a smaller skillet, but it works. There we are. I have my vegetables over there cooking. I don't add salt or butter to my vegetables. I have a spray-on butter. Sometimes I use that and a little pepper. I don't add extra salt because a lot of times when you buy vegetables, they're already cured with salt unless you buy them low sodium. So since I have such a large skillet, I will be moving the rice around my chicken so it can get soft. And there you have it. I'm going to stir it up so you can see what it looks like. Oh, they look so good. Orange pepper and brown rice. If you want to add onions, you can. If you want to add garlic, you can. You change the recipe up. If you want to do green peppers, you want to do red pepper chicken, you can even add red pepper. You can just change this up any way you like. Okay. Oh, looks so good. I'm going to add extra black pepper, but I'm not going to add any extra salt. Because the soup has a lot of salt in it. And I've already salted the meat. But I like black pepper. Yeah, I did add a lot. So, there you are. What should I call this? Orange pepper chicken. And brown rice. Orange pepper chicken and brown rice with vegetables, mixed vegetables on the side. That's dinner tonight. Get a zoom in of that. Look at that, guys. Okay, let's zoom out. Hey, great meal. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that bell, ring, 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 so you can get notification of my next video. Thank you for watching. Angie's doing it. She's cooking.